You're tuned in to Black History Entertainment Radio.
City to city, coast to coast. You're in the mix with DJ Digital. DJ Digital.
And those he plays never suspect. He doesn't play for the money he wins, no. He doesn't play for respect. He deals the cards to find the answer. Looking for the answers, yeah. The sacred geometry of chance. The hidden law of a probable outcome. The numbers lead a dance. Time for the dance. I know that the spades are the swords of a soldier. I know that the clubs are weapons of war. I know the diamonds means money for his art, but that's not the shape of my heart. Play the jack of diamonds, he may lay the queen of spades. Queen is his weakness. He may conceal a king in his hand while the memory of it fades. Ooh. I know that the spades are the swords of a soldier. I know that the clubs are weapons of war. I know that diamonds means money for his art, but that's not the shape of my.
This is how it tweet. Isn't it sweet?
If I told you that I
Conscious, uplifting music on Black History Entertainment Radio.
I'm not a man of too many faces. The mask I wear is one. And those who speak know nothing. They don't know what they see and find out to their cost. Like those who curse their luck in too many places. And those whose smiles are lost. Ooh, I know that the spades are the swords of a soldier. I know that the clubs are weapons of war.
80s and 90s with DJ Digital.
Needs money for his art, but that's not the shape of my heart. Yeah. I know that the spades are the swords of a soldier. You can count on me. You know by now, after all is said and done, you still be the only one. The years may come, the years may go, but my love remains the same. After all is said and done, through the heartaches and the fun, I wouldn't trade the times we share. My life's complete with you.
You're my inspiration.
You're my fascination. Every little thing I do. And I'm so very thankful to spend forever with you. And that's why, after all is said and done, there's just no comparison that makes me feel joy being heard. I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories, you know that they're all lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I'll do. I'll be coming over back to you every night, doing you right. The time I would deserve good things, full of diamonds, handful of rings. You're a star, I just wanna show you all. You should let me love you, let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection, make me your selection, show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me
Greetings, massive.
love you, love you.
Wagwan, Jamaica.
Your true beauty's description, it looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame, don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know I was your man. Baby, you never worry about what I'll do. I'll be coming over back to you every night.
The 80s
doing
and
you right.
90s with DJ
You're
Digital.
tuned in to Black History's Entertainment Radio.
Oh, yeah. When I'm alone and I need someone to talk to, I talk to your picture. Get me a pencil and paper and write all the things, say all the things you used to say before, but with a little extra. Read all about it, sugar and spice. I guess it makes me feel kinda nice. I write a letter to myself. Oh, I write another letter to myself. Write a letter. I write another letter to myself. Oh, I write another letter to myself. Write a letter. Oh, I put on my coat and leave you a note and go to the places that we used to be. I pretend you were there. I order dinner for two. Your very presence is in the air. I write a letter to myself. Oh, I write another letter to myself. Write a letter. I write another letter to myself. Oh, I write another letter to myself. Write a letter. Yeah. Oh yeah, sugar baby. When I'm alone,
You're tuned in to Black History's Entertainment Radio.